How to change Roblox password if you forgot your PC. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change your Roblox password if you forgot PC. First, go to the Roblox website on your browser. You can log in to your account by entering your username and password. If you've forgotten your password, click the Forgot Password or Username option. In the email area, enter your email address and click on Submit. You will be asked to solve a quick puzzle to prove you're not a robot. Do that, then click Submit. After that, open the email website and reach the mail of Roblox. Hit the Reset button and choose your account. Finally, type in a new password and confirm it by entering it again. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.